everyone, in this video we will discuss about op-amp, which is operational amplifier. In this video we will also know about op-amp operation, symbol and block diagram of op-amp, operation of differential amplifier, and also know about application of op-amp, in which know adder, subtractor, integrator, differentiator, op-amp, and also given in the last of the video op-amp related question. So I request you to watch this video till the end. Op-amp, operational amplifier, is a circuit that can perform such mathematical operation as addition, subtraction, integration and differentiation. Operational amplifier are used in all branches of electronics, both digital and linear circuit. Linear circuits, in which circuit parameters such as resistance, capacitance, inductance are constant, and in this circuit we use resistance, capacitor and inductor. In digital circuit use transistors. Operational amplifier has very high input impedance, ideally infinite, and very low output impedance, ideally 0. Operational amplifier has very high open loop voltage gain. Open loop means there is no feedback system is present. Operational amplifier open loop voltage gain is more than 2 lakh, which is ideally infinite. Operational amplifier are almost always operated with negative feedback. The noise level in amplifier can be reduced by using of negative feedback. Operational amplifier has very large CMRR, common mode rejection ratio, which is greater than 90 dB. Schematic symbol of operational amplifier. The basic operational amplifier has 5 terminals, in which 2 terminals for supply voltage plus V and minus V, and 2 input terminal, which is inverting input and non-inverting input, and 1 output terminal. Inverting input, a signal applied to the minus terminal will be shifted in the phase 180 degree at the output. Input and output in opposite phase. Non-inverting input, a signal applied to plus terminal will be appear in the same phase at the output as the input. Input and output in same phase. An operational amplifier is a multi-stage amplifier and consists of differential amplifier stage, a high gain common emitter amplifier stage, and class B push-pull emitter follower. The input stage of operational amplifier is differential amplifier. The internal stage of an operational amplifier is direct couple. Direct coupling allows the operational amplifier to amplify the DC and AC signal. The output stage is class B push-pull emitter follower. Differential amplifier is a circuit that can accept 2 input signals and amplify the difference between these 2 input signals. There are 2 input voltage V1 and V2. Differential amplifier amplifies the difference between 2 input voltage. Therefore, the output voltage is VO equal to A into V1 minus V2, where A is the voltage gain of the amplifier. CMRR, common mode rejection ratio. A differential amplifier should have high differential voltage gain ADM and low common mode voltage gain ACM. The ratio of high differential voltage gain and low common mode voltage gain is called CMRR, common mode rejection ratio. CMRR equal to ADM upon ACM. CMRR expressed in decibel. CMRR dB equal to 20 log base 10 ADM upon ACM equal to 20 log base 10 CMRR. If the value of CMRR is 10, then CMRR dB equal to 20 log 10, which is equal to 20. Application of operational amplifier. Adder or summing amplifier. Adder circuit provide an output voltage that is equal to the negative of the algebraic sum of two or more negative voltages. In adder circuit, supply V1, V2 and V3 through R1, R2 and R3. Then calculation is come by applying KCL, Kirchhoff current law at the point of A. Then total current IF equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, and then output voltage V output is equal to minus IF into RF. Here minus sign show the phase of reversal. Then V output is equal to minus RF into I1 plus I2 plus I3. Then V output equal to minus RF into V1 upon R1 plus V2 upon R2 plus V3 upon R3. If condition come R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to R, then we have voltage output equal to minus RF upon R into V1 plus V2 plus V3. If gain of amplifier is unity, then RF equal to R1 equal to R2 equal to R3. Then our voltage output equal to minus of V1 plus V2 plus V3. Here minus sign show the phase of reversal. Subtractor. Subtractor amplifier can be used to provide an output voltage that is equal to difference of two input voltage. If an input voltage are V1 and V2, then output voltage equal to minus of V1 minus V2. Here minus sign show the phase of reversal. Integrator. Integrator is a circuit that performs integration of input signal. Basically question come from diagram. Here capacitor is used for feedback. Op-amp differentiator. Differentiator produces an output voltage that is proportional to the rate of change of input voltage. Here resistor is used for feedback. It is an inverse mathematical operation of integrator. Now pause the video and solve the given questions. Thank you.